Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. Right, so for today's trade of the day, we will be looking at the pound dollar. Right, so we see over here, okay, it's nearly the end of the month already. Right, in fact, we are at the tail end, and next week we will be on August. Right, and we see that, looking at a month-end candle, there really isn't much of a candlestick pattern right here, so we should expect price in the long term to still continue on its uptrend at least. Right, however, on the daily, I just want to show you guys, on the daily, right, we see the price has dropped all the way down and is coming back up, and price is actually holding at a pretty key resistance level. Right, so this is actually a pretty key resistance level, and on the short term we might expect price to actually do a small pullback. Right, so small pullbacks are actually pretty healthy. So very quickly we go over to the 1 hour, looking at the intraday. I'm just going to extend this to the more recent prices. Okay, remember this is the daily level, right? And we also see that price is actually holding on a long-term ascending trend line, right? So we try to touch as many candles as possible without cutting the candle bodies. Now, if we were to do a retracement from this low, because this is after price pulled down and then after that it pushed higher, this is really one movement. From this low to this high, we see that there is a 38% retracement. I put the levels there already. This could be our take profit level, right? Price could very well just drop down to this area here, right, from where it is at. Okay, so this could very well be a take profit level. This entire area here, the daily resistance, right, I would actually back it down to this graphical overlap in close. You can see very clearly in close, there's this graphical overlap where price is somewhat reaching, right? This entire area could actually be our entry zone, right? So I'm just going to draw a box around this area as a possible entry zone, right? So I'll just put this as a pivot area, or rename this as a possible sell entry level. Right, so let's ignore the negative 27.20 for now. It doesn't tell us much. Okay, we also see a zigzag like that, right? So we can actually use Fibonacci extension, right? 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and we see that price, okay, actually reacted right on the 100% level. So this is one big zone. I'm just going to put a stop loss at the last swing high, back it up a bit, give the trade a bit of room to breathe, and we have our stop loss, sell entry, take profit. Last but not least, we can take a look at stochastics indicator, and you can actually draw a resistance line along stochastics indicator, and every time, right, when stochastics reaches this resistance line, right, price does a healthy pullback. Okay, so this is what we can expect at this time as well. Alright, so thanks everyone for coming in to today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.